G'day, Nathan from Paddlefish Tasmania here. It's Christmas Eve, and instead of the usual ham and turkey, I'm out at Primrose Sands diving for some abalone. Let's see if we can grab a few for a feed tomorrow. I said that is a sick surf hat, man. I like it. Beautifully done.
What's this?
Oh yeah, I've got to catch back.
Yeah, that might be definitely heavy. It's cold.
So these guys are a bit suctiony apparently. Brownie's got a new home. Yeah, I did that once and I busted my necklace off. I've got a Christmas day, went out diving Christmas afternoon, lost that. I don't know if I got that on camera. I'm not sure if I got that on camera, but yeah. Just had hold of a crayfish and couldn't quite get him out. And you would have seen the GoPro bust off. So, a bit disappointing, but we nearly got him. Bloody one of those little tiny things. I can feel his antenna. Yeah. And he just found a way up back to the hole. Yeah. I can't get that one. Oh, disappointed, man. We've been snorkeling around for about 2 hours now and we've picked up about half a dozen each. We've just come across this fantastic patch of abalone where we've doubled our numbers. The funny thing about it is that we're only in about 4 foot of water.
Well, that certainly turned out to be an adventure. Despite missing that crayfish after he made his way into the back of that hole and breaking my GoPro off and just rescuing it. We did manage to bag out an abalone today, Lee and I both taking 10 each. As you can see, I've headed back to shore, picked up a dry set of clothes, and have now paddled out in the bay to hopefully pick up some flathead squid for the feed tomorrow. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.